Mo te toru tau tēnei rangatahi Māori e mamai ana.
Before I had all the health problems and stuff, I used to love climbing trees, hanging out with my friends, playing rugby, basketball, basically anything that a kid my age would love to do.
Toko toru ngā tākuta e ia ngā aromatawai tinana, ka oti kia wakatauria kei a Jesse Hereora, te mā ui Mouse. A e rua ngā wā kua wakakorea e te manatu auara i tana a parapara, inaia nei ki te ia anō kia aromatawai mēnā ai kau rānei, kei a ia te mate nei.
For me, mouth is like, it's to do with your stomach, and like for a normal person's stomach, it would normally kind of look like if you had two hooks kind of like that. But my one is where it's shaped like that. So it's like completely twisted, and it just, the pain that comes with it is, it's basically, a pain rating for me would be like an 8. And since I've been in pain for so many years, it has adapted more.
Within 6 weeks, we were booked in to have the operation. Well, he was. 2 weeks later, 3 days before the operation, sorry, there's been an emergency, which I totally understand and get. Then they rebooked it for 2 weeks later. Then they rang back, contacted us 2 days before we were ready to go up to Auckland and said, sorry, we can no longer do this operation for your son. Gutted. Just, what am I supposed to do as a mother?
E toru tau oki a Jacqueline Hereora e mātakitaki ana i tana tama e tauma ana i tēnei mā ui.
Took him 10 letters to get one scan done for Jesse because they keep declining him for MRIs and CTs. Then when we went back in to see him, he turned around and his words were, "You were right, Jackie, he's got mouths."
Nā wai anō kua o a te wānau nei, e ko ipu te ana kia a paraparatia ai ia, e ngā tākuta kia hita reiria.
I don't have money, I'm on a carer's benefit. I'm probably going to get in trouble for fundraising like I have been, but I'll do whatever I have in my power to help my son live a normal life.
Become a fully qualified builder and be a professional pool player too.
Ko te aro a o te māma ki tana tama e mauroa, a aere ki te wārangi, give a little, ki te tautoko i te wakaoranga o tēnei tama. Phoenix Manly Green, Taiuru News.
Ko te reo, te take.